What if I told you your sales team never had to do outbound ever again? You don't have to spend time doing hours of research, spending time sending customized emails, and even responding to emails. You don't have to worry about booking meetings ever again, so you could just focus on getting on calls and closing deals. Well, we arrived at a time today where it's all possible to automate using AI. We just launched Jason, the world's first AI autonomous sales agent. Sounds heavy, right? But what does all of that mean? Well, it can research around prospects online and send thousands of emails every day without fatigue or ever worrying about getting rejected. Second, it's autonomous. So that means it can run independently and you don't have to ever keep providing a prompt or an input at every step because it has self-reflection capabilities. It can automatically follow up and adapt based on human input, and you can do this as long as you want it to. Finally, it's an agent. Agents like this cool new thing in town, right? These aren't AI tools, they're not humans, but they're kind of at the intersection of the AI tools and human likeness, kind of bring the best of both worlds. So our agents have been trained for edge cases, not to be toxic, and they keep getting better as you work with them. So some really cool things about Jason: you can add as much context and info in any format. So whether that's PDF, Excel files, videos, it can be customized to your data and it's deployed on your server, which basically means that you never have to worry about data privacy with us. So that's amazing for companies that want to use Jason at scale. We launched Jason because humans should be doing creative things. We should be connecting with people, we should be innovating, and we should be closing more deals, not getting lost in like repetitive things which can lead to burnout. So go check out Jason and post that, come talk to us, because the future is definitely having an agent force and we want to help you get there.